morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today, a short little video on removing the rear glass. I'm going to do it like I did the windshield. I'm just going to use a utility knife. I'm going to cut the rubber out around the flange of the body and then push it on out. I got a comforter out here that I'm going to sit here and lay it into, and then wrap it up in tape, and then store it until I get the car painted. So let's get busy. Hopefully here I can find a nice place to sit this so everybody can see. Alright. Get up in here. So basically, this rubber seal just wraps around the flange, and I am just going to cut it out. This is going to be the interesting part because I got a lot of rust in this pillar right here, and I'm waiting to see how bad it really is. You can see I got tons of rust in here. I'm hoping I can clean it all out. We'll come on across. There we go. So basically you want to cut it close to the glass but not hit the glass. Alright, it seems like it's a little light, or getting better, so I'm going to pop out here. Alright, so it seems pretty good up until this side, about here. There she is. I'm gonna go get some gloves on because you never know what you might get into. Do pop it off the ledge on the bottom and then just roll it right onto the comforter. You can see where maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe I can get it all cleaned up and not have to worry about welding in pieces here. It's really the other side I was more worried about. You can see up in here, got some rust there. Really, it's not as bad as I thought. So that is how I've been removing. I've removed the front windshield that way and the back glass. Well, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you watching it all the way through. If you find anything valuable on here, please like and subscribe. And I got more videos coming. It's been so hot in Florida here that I've been kind of taking it off on the Falcon a little bit, but I'm going to get back in there, especially it's fixing to turn fall here in the middle of this month. So I'll get back heavy on her. Just to give you an update too, so you can see what else is going on with. I have the cowl, the lower cowl, all done. So I fiberglassed all this up, just filling in pinholes. There were some, maybe the biggest one was quarter size, and then welded a new piece in here, and then fiberglassed all this. And I sat there and I was in Harbor Freight looking around. I was trying to get some self-etching primer and ran across this rubberized undercoating and grabbed some of it. I was like, well, that might be a cool thing to put in this area since this is a water area. It might help it shed. And so I sprayed all this with 2 cans of this, and I mean, I really coated it down. And then I spray painted it because it is a paintable surface once it's dry. I painted it with a gloss black. As you see, I got the upper cowl here, and I'm getting ready. That'll probably be my next video, starting installing this. And that's where we're at. So again, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Please share. I'm trying to build the channel up, so every little watch and like helps me out on the algorithm. Yeah, speech impediment there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.